Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is going to be my version of a holiday gift guide for 2018. I really just wanted to sit down and give you guys some ideas for things to buy your family, your friends, just some ideas that are pretty common. I mean, I'm not going to give you anything that's going to be life-changing, but it's just good ideas and things that I'm thinking of getting my family members for this holiday season. So if you guys are interested to see in what I have to share with you and just some of my ideas for gift guides for the holidays, then just keep watching. So the big thing is just to really pay attention and listen when people are talking about things that they want, because I know sometimes it's hard to get overwhelmed and forget. So I honestly keep a list running, even if I hear my mom say something like, oh, I would love to have that, or oh, that looks really cool, then I can make a note of it so I can go back and get it, or at least it'll give me an idea of something that she would possibly like. And even just keep up like a few months before Christmas listening to what people say, because honestly, sometimes they will even forget what they've told you that they wanted. First things first, let's just go ahead and start with the women in our lives. Like our moms, our sisters, our girlfriends, whatever. You just simply cannot go wrong with a candle. Candle is a great gift that you can use pretty much all through the holiday season. Just something that I know I personally would love to receive. When I'm giving someone a gift, I like to think through, is this something, if I liked this, would I be excited to get this? Or is this something that I would like to receive myself? And usually the answer is yes, because my mom and my sister like the same things as me. So candles are really great. I know my sister loves candles. My mom likes them, but just not as much. Another thing on the line of candles is essential oils. I know I'm really into diffusing essential oils this year, and also giving somebody a diffuser would be a great Christmas present. They can get really expensive, but you can get a super nice one for an affordable price. Just check Amazon. TJ Maxx has a lot, but you can also get essential oils and just make a cute little kit, or get a essential oil diffuser with a bunch of oils and then make them like a spa night kit where you have the oil diffuser, some socks, a candle, some bubble bath. I think that would be a great gift, and I know personally I would love to receive that. Next, of course, would be makeup. I know my sister last year asked for a Violet Voss palette, and this year there's a lot of launches, so if you guys would like to see a whole dedicated video on things that I think would be worth purchasing makeup-wise, just let me know, because I would love to film that for you guys as well. The Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette is a great palette. The James Charles one I'm sure is going to be amazing. There's so many different palettes that are releasing and launching, and there's so many also limited edition holiday palettes. I recently just picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and I think that would be a great gift to give someone if they like more cool toned grungy eyeshadow looks. If you have someone in your life that really likes cool toned grungy, really sultry looks, then this Anastasia Sultry palette would be your best bet, and this retails for $45, so I think that would be a perfect Christmas present, and the packaging stunning. Everything about this would be just a nice present. Like, Anastasia has some of the best shadows on the market, so you're really getting value for your money right here. Like, you're gonna love this palette. Whoever you give this to, they're gonna love it, because I've been using it and loving it. And it's a very easy palette to work with because they're really amazing shadows. Anything for the kitchen, any cute little decor pieces, Christmas decor items that they can use next year is all things that I've received that I really like. Practical items for the girl in your life, like a new hair straightener. I know Casey Holmes and InStyler are collaborating to come out with a new InStyler tool that gives you really pretty beach waves, which I don't need, but it looks really cool. And honestly, a coffee mug with some cute fuzzy socks in it, if you're on a budget, is like the cutest gift, and I would die to have that. Like, put some nail polish in it as well, and I think it would be the cutest gift. You could even pair it with a bath bomb, some soaps, anything like that. I love little spa night packages. I just think those are really cute and very practical, and I always get my use out of them, because I have a whole collection of coffee mugs, and you can never go wrong with getting somebody a candle and a coffee mug, at least in my opinion. If you have an animal lover in your life and they have their ears pierced and they want paw print earrings, go ahead and check out baileysmission.com. They have the cutest paw print earrings, and I think they're only $12 or $14, and they're rose gold, which it can't get any better than that. And that is just the cutest little stocking stuffer, a cute little present to wrap up. I would totally die if I got those, so I know somebody else would as well. But I'll go ahead and link all the stuff for Bailey's Mission down below, as I think 10% of their profits go to a rescue organization in the Houston, Texas area. So I just thought that was a great thing, and it's run by a girl named Nicole Renee Cutler on YouTube, who's pretty big in my opinion, and I enjoy her videos so much, and she just feels like a great person you can be friends with. But anyway, go check out those paw print earrings, because I feel like those are going to be a hot seller this Christmas. If you also have an animal lover in your life, pictures of their fur babies on canvases, or in a really nice frame that says something cute about their dog. I know one Christmas I got a frame that said every dog needs a family, and it had my dog Hadley, her name on it, and then a picture, and I literally almost cried because it was just so cute. It was like the most special gift I got last Christmas, and I will never forget it. So yeah, stuff like that that's really sweet and handmade but really has meaning to the person can be the best gift of all. Gift cards are a great thing to give somebody just if you don't know what they want, or you know they like a store but you don't know what they'd like in it. Target gift cards, Walmart gift cards to go out to eat, Starbucks gift cards. I know this is very simple and it kind of seemed easy, like the easy way out, but who doesn't really love a gift card? Like, I do. And I actually use my gift cards. Now, if you know that people don't use them, don't buy them. But I use my gift cards all the time because I love it, and like it's free money on a card, so why not? Also, Visa gift cards are great because they can use them wherever they want, and you know that like they can get something with it that they really want, or something that they didn't end up getting for Christmas that they wanted, they can just go and use your Visa gift card. So I know that that's a great idea as well. I love to get a throw blanket that I can just cuddle up in and watch a movie, and maybe a cute pair of fuzzy socks. That's a great idea for a girl in your life, or boy, whoever likes that kind of stuff. I know I would love it, so that's another affordable option. Walmart has some really nice stuff out right now as well. So let's go ahead and talk about the guy in your life. I know my husband would personally love anything that has to do with tools or fishing, or something you can use in the garage. If they're into cars, if they're into golf, if they're into sports, you can get them tickets to see their favorite team, or a sports jersey, or a coffee mug with the sports logo on it. There's a bunch of different things that you can play off of. Also, I know this might seem boring, but clothes, I know if you're an adult like me, you'd appreciate anything you get because it's one less thing that you have to go out and buy. New socks and underwear is so cliche that you get that at Christmas, but I mean, come on, we all need it. And also just money, like plain old cash is great, and I know that if you're struggling to pay bills and you need a little help me, then you can definitely use some money this Christmas. For the man in your life, a wallet or some new cologne would be a great gift and a new addition. Normally things like that you get on Christmas and then you use it all throughout the year, and so by the time Christmas rolls around again, you're out and you need more. So that's a great time to buy a billfold, a wallet, some cologne, new t-shirts, new like basics that they wear. Pretty much if you have a man that wears like a suit every day, they need like a shirt to wear underneath that. Just basics that they could get a lot of use out of, and that throughout the years things can get kind of worn down and ratty. Christmas is a great time to refresh all those necessities. Subscription to the Dollar Shave Club or the Beard Club will be a great Christmas gift as well. You could customize it to their needs. If they have a beard, if they want to keep clean shaved, anything like that, that would be a great gift, and it's kind of a gift that keeps on giving each month. If you have a skill or a homemade craft that you're really good at making, don't feel bad for giving away homemade gifts. It's really just the thought that counts. I have a Cricut machine where I can make different kind of coffee mugs and stuff, so I like to use that, and I like to make people gifts. So there's a bunch of things that I have in mind that I really like to make for family members, maybe things that they can't find but they want, and they can't find it in the store, that have a certain saying or a certain logo or whatever. I can just make it for them, and honestly it turns out usually better than the store-bought version, and it's a lot more special because it was homemade. So when I'm shopping for other people, it can get overwhelming because I do have a pretty large family. What I do is I open a note in my phone and I type out their names and then things that they've said they've wanted or things that I'm thinking of getting them. And that way I can really keep track of it, and then when it comes to days like Black Friday and I'm running around crazy at stores, I can simply check things off or get a reminder of like, hey, you need to look for this, see if this is on sale. Another great gift if you have somebody that likes technology is a pop socket. I mean, pop sockets are amazing. I got one for my birthday and I can't live without it now. It might be something they may not even know that they need until they have it. So they're only like $9 to $12, and you can also customize them on popsocket.com. You can put pictures up there, you can put sayings and quotes, and I think it's just a great little gift. And I promise you, if they don't have one, they're gonna love it once they have it. Okay guys, so that is just a quick little gift guide. There's so many other things that I could have mentioned, but these are just the things that I tend to look for or tend to gravitate towards when I'm buying for other people. Things that are affordable, simple, and I know that people will really like and enjoy no matter what it is or who gets it. So things like candles, coffee mugs, pop sockets, gift cards, homemade gifts, those are all really special items and things that I know anybody would be happy to get on Christmas. So I hope you guys did enjoy. If you'd like to see any more videos like this, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my Christmas related videos in the future, as well as possibly I might be doing Vlogmas this year. I haven't decided yet, but go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss out on all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!